Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying eligibility with your carrier in the Virgin Islands. This avoids wasted steps. Once you know they offer an emergency data loan, log into your account or open the provider app and enter your account number and phone details. Make sure to note fees, duration, and the amount you need. If the carrier requires identity verification, upload a photo ID now. These actions speed approval and prevent repeated attempts, so get them done before requesting the loan. You next submit the request through the quickest channel, app, UST code, or live chat, because speed matters in an emergency. When prompted, choose the loan amount and a repayment method, noting whether repayment occurs with your next top-up or as a charge to your bill. Confirm any upfront fees or interest so surprises are avoided. After you send the request, save the transaction ID and confirmation. These let you track delivery and resolve disputes if the data does not arrive on time. Once the loan is approved, check your data balance and load a simple web page to ensure connectivity. This confirms success. If the data hasn't posted by the promised time, contact support right away and provide the transaction ID. Demand escalation if necessary. Make sure to repay as agreed to avoid penalties or credit holds, set a reminder, or enable auto-repayment. If a billing error occurs, document screenshots and timestamps, and follow up until the carrier issues a correction or credit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.